Let's multiply here by 7 plus 8i. Remember, the real number always stays the same, and the imaginary always changes to the opposite of whatever is your denominator. That's how you know what to multiply by. Okay, so let's do the top. -2 plus 2i. All of that is times 7 plus 8i. So I'm going to distribute here. -2 times 7 is -14. -2 times 8 is -16. And that has an I on it. Now I'll do the 2i. 2i times 7, that's 14i. 2i times 8i, that's 16i squared. When I write I squared, I automatically mark it out, change the sign of the number in front. So now I have -14 and -16. That's what, -30. And then I'm going to add these together. This was a positive. So -16 plus 14i. And those are both I terms. So that's -2i. All right. So I've got -30 minus 2i in the numerator in the top. Okay. Now we're ready to do the bottom of this. So 7 minus 8i times 7 plus 8i. Okay. So we're going to multiply here. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 8i is 56i. -8i times 7 is -56, and that has an I on it. -8i times +8i, so -64i squared. I wrote I squared, so I'm marking it out and changing the sign. All right, so I've got a 49 and a 64. 49 plus 64 adds up to 113. All right, 113. 56i minus 56i, that is 0. So 113 is the denominator here. That's all that I have left. I'm going to erase that just so it's not in the way. Okay, so that is that. Now we're going to look and see, can we divide any further to like reduce the fraction? And the nice thing about this one is that there's a 2 in it. So I know that if I have an odd number, I can't reduce, right? Because 2 will only divide by 2 and odd numbers don't. So 113 is an odd number. That means this is completely reduced. That is the simplified answer to this question. I hope that helps. See you next time.